To guys, sayaw-sayaw muna ako bang naghihintay ako kay Sir Andre. Mag-ano kami ngayon, mag-hike sa Franklin Falls. Sayawan ko muna. Ayun guys, opalite.
We missed all the nice
Ayun
colors.
guys, mag-drive na kami. I-90, papunta kami sa
This is the area where beautiful colors at the park.
isang falls. Tagal namin din punta kami sa Franklin Falls. So lots of signs, no parking here and there.
In 0.2 miles, turn left, then stay to the right. Lots of fallen trees. They're doing there's a tractor there.
Is this the parking lot?
I think so.
No, okay, so this is
Do not enter one-way traffic. Or you go. Turn left. But this water, guys, this is from the falls. Very strong.
Akyat na diyan guys, hagdanan, hangus na sad. Yan guys, yung ano pa rin, yung river. All the way yan hanggang doon pag-akyat namin. Yeah. Big! Pagkadako. So that's the drop from the waterfalls, Adre. Kahit guys, nadala-dala yung umbrella kasi maulan. Marami pang akyatin. Punta kami sa Franklin Falls. Taas ng agos guys, ng tubig. Masyadong clear ang ano ko, picture o video kasi naka-ziplock bag yung ano ko, phone. Takot mabasa kasi bago pa guys. Ingat-ingatan muna. How do you call this creek, Dre? Dini Creek?
Yes.
Dini Creek. That one there guys, already a freeway. Ayan guys. Punta na yan doon. Little falls in there.
And the freeway, guys. Road. Here we are down here. The falls that way. We're almost there.
Ayan na yan guys. We're not that close yet but so full. Yan yung road, I-90. Yun kami dadaan, paliko mamaya. Yan yung agos guys. Punta doon.
Asan agos, guys? Tapos may maliit pa doon.
Let's do photo. 1 second. Go.
Ito yung wall, guys. Mas ganyan, guys. Dito. Me and Andre ready to climb up this thing here. That's really fast flowing of water. That's from the falls. I cannot see. Okay. Dini Creek, guys. Para si Andre J. Kalinaw sa tubig. Sa tubig, guys. This, guys, the reed house in the river. This area here, guys, this is the popular area where the reed house next to the river is featured in Seattle Times before. And here we go visiting this area. We always come here. Summertime, it's a busy area here. In this area for a short hike. But since it's raining, it makes it more little harder. But we enjoyed our hike. It's not so busy. Actually, we have our time there. Me and my husband in this area, but summertime, we don't hardly see space in this area. It's a popular spot in summertime. Sayaw-sayawan muna, guys. Bago bababa. Kapagod din kahit hindi masyadong malayo kasi pagdating mo talaga parang kita din. So, pababa na kami nito. So, may oras na kami sayaw-sayaw kasi mostly tinatayma namin kung gaano ka kalayo. Lalo na pag winter time, hindi kami masyadong magtagal kasi yung oras yung hinahabol namin Dini Creek
sa
from Franklin Falls. This is the
ito, guys, hindi
continuation
man
here.
masyadong malayo
We're
sa
standing
highway,
at the
Hindi
bridge.
masyadong nakakatakot pero mag-iingat pa rin kasi madulas yung daan. Tapos tubig
drive
yung
this area
anuhan
here
mo
for
tapos malamig pa yung tubig.
Yeah,
Yung river.
Block off, yeah.
So, ang tip ko lang, guys,
But this is the one that
always
we walk if it's
mag-ingat
snowing
kung
time.
mag-hike kayo kasi minsan yung bato umuuga tapos madulas. Ayan yung, guys, yung falls sa side road. Tapos above niyan yung highway na dinaanan namin papunta at saka pauwi. So malapit lang siya sa highway pero hindi mo siya makita sa highway kasi maraming kahoy. So dapat puntahan mo talaga yung area para makita mo yung ang ganda ng falls. Nung pagpunta namin, very heavy yung agos kasi
Kendall Walk.
Candle Peak Walkway.
ulan ng ulan kasi dito.
The
So,
scary
pa-drive
souls
home na
and
kami, guys. Maulan pa rin. Pero maganda yung maganda pa rin yung pag-hike at saka drive. Yan yung last hike namin. Matagal muna namin bago nakabalik
Continue
ulit.
straight for
So,
26.2 miles to exit 25.
thank you
Stay
guys
for
for
18
watching.
west toward Auburn.
those clouds.
Yeah.
Low clouds. Really cool.
This guy's getting a little sleepy over here.
guys, malapit sa bahay namin. Nag-stop muna kami sa Mexican restaurant. Nag-grab kami ng dinner na namin para pag uwi magpahinga na. Thank you guys.